ambulance, quick.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hi, my dad just collapsed.
Yeah, bring him in.
Okay.
I'll send the paramedics now.
Okay. Bye.
Paramedics.
What seems to be the problem here?
He collapsed.
Sit up! Head back. Can someone please give him a glass of water? He seems to have had a heart attack or something, so we need to take him in.
Yeah, bring him to room 204. I'll see him there.
So far, the grandfather has been taken into hospital.
Quite clearly lung cancer. After a careful diagnosis, I found out that it is lung cancer. It's a grueling disease. A lot of pain. You're going to have to be there to support him and help him through this.
I can't be doing this.
Yeah, but he needs your help.
No, but I've got a daughter to look after.
Well, that's a poor excuse, but we have care assistants. So
Okay.
go
I'll
on,
come
get
get
the
the
care.
cheese tonight.
Yeah, care assistants.
The grandfather has lung cancer.
How are you, sir?
I've got your medicine.
You have this twice a day. Do you need anything else? Can't, you sure? Sure. We're here to look after you 24 hours a day, so if you need anything, let us know.
Come for a check-up.
They can be stepping out.
This is miraculous. This is amazing. How did he recover from this? This is obviously the work of good Sangat.
The moral of the story is, the grandfather has been neglected from his own family, but from the care of others he has fully recovered. It shows that there's always someone out there to care for you, although other people can't be bothered.
Very good.